What if your presentation wasn't just slides and text, but something your audience could actually interact with? In this video, we're gonna explore how to add polls to your presentations and let your audience vote live using their phones. You're up front speaking about your topic, but half the room looks zoned out. It's frustrating, but it's not your fault. It's just how our attention works. Studies show that after just a few minutes of passive listening, focus starts to fade. People need to interact with content to stay engaged. That's where polls come in. Instead of just talking to your audience, you're inviting them to participate. Imagine this: you start your presentation with a question, something thought-provoking, maybe even controversial. Then you ask the audience to vote in real time using their smartphones. Suddenly, they're not just sitting there, they're part of the conversation. Let's pretend you're teaching a history lesson. Instead of just talking about an event, you show a controversial decision leaders had to make. You ask, what would you have done? If you can find an image that's provocative or unexpected, it can really hook your audience. Think about what image related to your content might surprise them or make them curious. You put up two choices and your audience votes. Maybe 17% pick one option, 30% go the other way. Now the room is buzzing with discussions. Why did you pick that? What the other thing? And a great trick is you can actually repeat the poll at the end. After learning more, did their opinions change? When people discuss and defend their choices, they remember the topic much better. You can also use polls to check prior knowledge before starting a lesson, get real-time feedback to see if your audience understands the topic, or starts debates that make discussions more interesting. Using polls in your presentations can completely change the way your audience interacts. On Interacty, we actually have a way to add crosswords, quizzes, polls, and games into your presentations. And this can be done by creating your whole presentation here on Interacty and then incorporating a poll in a slide where you want it. You can do it right in the editor in this section, where you can pick any of these interactive mechanics and add them to your presentation. When it comes to your poll, just tap Show QR code and they're in. And if you haven't heard of Interacty, it's a platform to create interactive activities like presentations, live events, or even marketing games to embed on your website. So definitely check it out at interacty.me. And if you ever feel lost, check out our step-by-step tutorial on our YouTube channel on how to create an interactive presentation. It will answer all your potential questions. Also, don't forget to use the promo code when signing up to get 25% off your registration. I hope you enjoyed this video, definitely like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.